Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making a chocolate cake, a beautiful moist chocolate cake. Let's get into it. Starting off with 2 eggs, some white granulated sugar, oil, vegetable oil, or canola oil, you could use that. I have whole milk, and some vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this together. All mixed together. Now I'm going to put this to the side, and I have a secondary bowl. You're going to get a sifter. And we're going to add some all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt, instant coffee. And I'm going to sift this together. And now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. And then I'm going to mix them together. Okay, everything is combined, smooth and creamy. So here's my cake mix. Everything is mixed together. Now I have 1 cup of hot water. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And now I'm going to mix all this together. And my batter is so creamy. Look at this. Beautiful. Here is my beautiful Bundt pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray, a baking spray, not a cooking spray. There is a difference. The baking sprays have flour, which allows everything not to stick. So now I'm going to put my batter inside my Bundt pan. Off to the side, I have a preheated oven, 350 degrees. I'm going to cook my cake until I can stick a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. So I'm going to make some cream cheese frosting. This is cream cheese and this is softened butter. Now I've had them out for a while and that one started to melt a little bit. All I could find was 6 ounces of cream cheese. And that's okay with me because we don't like a lot of sweet on our cakes. I'm making this because some friends of mine are coming over tomorrow. So I made 6 ounces of cream cheese, and this is 6 tablespoons. And this is 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's creamy. Okay, this is my cream cheese frosting. So right here I have an icing bag. I put all my frosting in here. Just wanted to show you guys how these work. I just ordered it online somewhere. They come with these little thingies. This is called a coupler, I think. You put it inside, and then you put your little tip, and then you screw this part on, like that. And then you put your icing in here, and you squeeze it all toward the bottom, and it ends up like this. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until I need it. I want my cake to cool down before I ice it. So here's my cake. It's beautiful. It's nice and cooked through with a toothpick. I checked it. It took me 45 minutes. Okay. I don't know. The recipe said 30 minutes, but it was 45 for me. So we'll say 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then I'm going to flip it over on to a plate. And I need to wait for this to completely cool off before I start adding some frosting. So now we wait. So here's my cake. I put it on a big plate right here. I'm going to let it completely cool off, but no casualties. It slipped out perfectly. It's beautiful. And you know how you get to lick the spoon? That batter, uncooked, was pretty good. Okay, so now we're waiting. So I'm trying to figure out how to decorate this cake. And so I'm just kind of going swirls like this. It's looking kind of cute. Kind of nice. So now I'm going to go in between all the little spots right here and make kind of a teardrop so that it kind of goes downwards because I want to use up some of this nice frosting. And then I also have some chocolate sprinkles I think I'm going to put on here. You know, you just got to get creative. I'll show you the finished product. So here's my beautiful chocolate cake. This is a piece that I can't wait to taste. But it really came out nice. I just put some sprinkles on top. You know, you just decorate it anyway. My frosting is good. It's very tasty. So let me taste it. Okay, you guys, here's my cake. Ooh, I can't wait to taste it. Let's see. Oh, it's good. It's moist. Look at that. Mmm. It's a good chocolate cake. Mmm. Okay, let me see that frosting. Mmm. Nice and sweet. It's good. It's really good. Not too sweet. Okay, this is homemade chocolate bundt cake with cream cheese frosting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.